That boy Lori.
MTC Beats.
Wake up from the buckets of the Rottweiler, Mr. Hot Collar. No mala, no breakfast with no bacon. Mr. Akins, let your color. Hot not the follow. Oh, what I can't say. Try to make it every day, no break. No predator, Mr. Editor of the newspaper on the payroll. My blues better pay, bro. Oh, got you on a contract. Hard school, hard not to attract or attack. No fist fights, gun pulled all night. Can't sleep all night. Cocaine got you all crazy, lazy. Bone thugs, no slugs. Hit the elevator, more thugs in the Lincoln Navigator. David, 8 years past, try to face it at least. We're getting there, y'all niggas too scared. Losing your life, maybe end up in a pool of blood. No kids, no wife, flesh of my flesh, blood of my blood. Try not to sin, live right. Neighbors fighting all night, no need to call the police. There are looters outside in them streets, so they busy, y'all. Commissioner Gordon, Batman missing, y'all. Nobody could find him, where is he? Joker, Harvey Dent, light up the cigarette, Mr. Kent. Louis Lane, Daily Planet.
What you gonna do when they come for you? What you wanna do when they come for you? What you gonna do when they come for you? What you gonna do when they come for you? What you gonna do when they come for you? What you gonna do when they come for you? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Gangsta, with y'all Gangsta 26-5. Still West Side, still we rock. What's up, what's good with my nigga Gemini in the studio? 8, shit. Get the album, nigga. Don't be a bitch, nigga. Don't be a snitch, nigga. Don't sell out nobody out for this shit. No motherfucking punk ass, motherfucking West Side, still West Side, still we rock. Upper side. Dark agenda. Hey, Young C, I see ya. Young C, I see ya.
Have you seen Batman, Commissioner? They say he's huge.
You shouldn't pry, Marion. Gil has his hands full these days. But trusting him to cope with Batman and Gordon.
Well, whoever this bat person is, he's having a positive effect on public spirit. Street crime has dropped significantly. Hell, Gil, maybe you ought to offer him a job.
Hey, let's not kid ourselves. Batman is costing us all money.
Two sides to everything, friends. Look at the long term. A few street operators are put out of action, yes. But the people of Gotham have a hero. Makes them feel safe.
And the safer they feel, the fewer questions they ask, right, Gil?
I don't like it. It's steering things up. And with Gordon pushing internal affairs to go after Flash would be difficult to replace. And if he were to talk?
Let me worry about Flash. Relax, Carmine. I got everything under control.
What the hell's going on?
The lights! What happened to the lights?
Ladies, gentlemen, you've eaten well. You've eaten Gotham's wealth, its spirit, but your feast is nearly over. From this moment on, none of you are safe.